Hello.
Hi brother.
What happened, brother?
Brother, I don't know anything about smartphone system update.
Don't worry, brother, I teach you everything.
Okay brother, and audience, please subscribe or before start the video.
Brother, first of all, different companies provide update for different period of time duration.
For how long brother?
Near about, brother. For example, Xiaomi provide only one Android update, where Samsung provide more than one Android update, and iPhone for something nearby 5 years.
Brother, what is Android update? There any exist something else?
Yes bro, any update companies have their own user interface to make their device more attractive. These updates depends on usually on brand that how much they want to provide latest any update.
Okay brother.
Okay brother, now time is too late to talk, we will meet tomorrow, okay?
Okay brother, thank you for such informative information.
Welcome brother.
Okay guys, please provide your feedback in comment section and like the video and subscribe to Chihi channel.